second question is how to cope up with mental health. Nowadays, many young ones are becoming the victim of mental health issues. Some even decided to end their precious life because they cannot handle the pressure of depression, anxiety, and many more. As a person who had encountered this kind of mental health issues, the kind of phenomena that the young adult experience cannot be taken lightly, because this is a serious case among youth to prevent our borrowed life becoming waste. Here are some ways we can do to cope up with mental health issues. The first is to make sure you have enough sleep. Being depressed or having an anxiety attack can cause a sleepless night because of negative thoughts and overthinking which had great effect on our health. Always make sure you have enough sleep for us to have enough energy to face the morning. The second is focus on your strength. You should learn to avoid or control and not to drown yourself with the negative thoughts inside your head. Make the voices inside your head like you're, instead of thinking about your insecurities and flaws as a human being. Remember that we are not perfect. Next is do the things that makes you happy. You should do the things you love the most and go out to have fun. Divert your attention from negative to positive. Focus on the good things. If dancing, singing makes you happy, then do as you please. Don't mop around in your room and thinking about your imperfection. Next is talk to someone you trust. It can be your friends or your parents. It is most important that you decide to let your emotions and feelings go.